Here comes the Bauer BG39, spinning its massive rotary head as it bores deep into the earth. Used for piling, foundation work, and large diameter drilling, this monster weighs over 140 tons. It can drill holes up to 118 feet deep and 12 feet wide. Its torque is immense, but the real magic is how quiet and stable it stays while working. Thanks to advanced kinematics, the BG39 positions with precision. Watching it drill is like watching a magician pull secrets from the ground. Only this spell leaves steel-reinforced pillars behind.